I think SCB shared with you a very good demographic of how the Thais are aging and what is lacking and how can we do improvements. Looking at opportunity related in terms of health, wellness, preventive, and looking at what kind of active living that we would like to put in communities. Things are changed. Look at our surrounding today. Banking has also changed their way of doing businesses, right? So healthcare, preventive are also changing and innovating, and looking at integrating health and wellness into developments. All right, I think this slide has really shown us that the global aging society is all increasing. Just like I'm standing here, I'm also aging each day. Every one of us is aging, but nevertheless, there's always ways to keep ourselves younger, right? How do we do that? There are possibilities and there are ways that has already been proven to do that. So the aging society is growing by the year 200. You look at the age group of people growing older is much higher. As you can also see that Thai aging is growing tremendously, a very big gap compared to other Asian countries. Why is that so? Maybe it's because there's lack of lifestyle change, maybe it's because of environment, the food we eat, or the stress that we're getting, but nevertheless, all this can be managed. Now, this chart shows a very interesting details on why aging is so going up extremely very high, and looking at the fertility rates of people making babies are lesser. So we are bringing less people into the world, but the older generation, the baby boomers, are all getting older as we are moving along. Now, but if you look at the aging society in Thailand itself, Thailand will grow elderly population up by maybe 35%. But in the additional or between a male and female ratio, the females are getting in the bigger percentage of aging. Look at the rooms here. Sorry, how many more ladies are here than male? The ladies are going older than us, guys. We got to do some catch up now. So the guys are lack of going older, but they are seeing the next world faster. So ladies, you guys are doing a good job. The aging for ladies in Thailand is growing to about 75 years of age. The guys are going bye-bye at the age of 71. But can this go longer? Yes, because of environment, looking at our health, you know. And I think Kun Putuwat just now mentioned about Singapore, why I'm from Singapore, and why Singapore, the aging is maintaining, and now Singapore lifespan is growing to 85 years old. It's 85 years old, growing people who are getting older, and they're calling bye-bye to you at the age of 85. But that also plays a very important component, because government, health, wellness, looking at what to do. Because if you're looking at this chart, just to share with you a little bit in terms of doctors, in Thailand, the number of doctors that we have, 35% of doctors that does general practices, family medicine, or special disease doctors, they are all within Bangkok metropolitan. 45% of these doctors of dental, they are also within the metropolitan. So the outskirts of Thailand are lacks of physicians to help. You might be out province, you have beautiful landscape, but maybe you don't have the enough expertise of doctors catering to the seniors. And the other core that Thailand should be looking at is there should be doctors more moving forward into doing preventive healthcare for elders. Because if you look at this chart, we are lack of professional people in the nursing factor, in the nursing segment, in doctors who are looking after the elderlies. And Thailand has a very good culture. It's very family oriented, right? It's very family oriented. You know, I notice all my younger friends, everything is family first. Weekend, man, Paul, number one. They want to stay with them. They don't let their parents out of their sight, which is good.